Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Pulse 5 5th generation wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working for some reason, maybe it's not connecting to your phone, maybe it's not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device, or whatever, anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now if you can't get it fixed or you decide it's just time to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and that I like it a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete and clear all of the pairing history and settings off of this speaker so you can set it up basically like it's a new speaker coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that really easily. We just need to first of all make sure that our speaker is turned on. And once our speaker is turned on, we're going to find this light button here and the Bluetooth button here, and we're going to press both of those buttons simultaneously for more than 2 seconds. So just hold these two buttons simultaneously for a couple seconds and the speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot back into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up like a new device.